So good. So this is, I'll be taking you through the virtual AVS back office. There are a few changes that are there, and so I will actually be covering that. So hope you can be able to see my screen. And so virtual AVS is an application. For the longest time, we've been saying that virtual AVS is an application that gives you an opportunity to make money from airtime. But again, I think that statement is not actually representing fully what virtual AVS is, simply because as of now, you're actually able to buy much more than airtime and actually make money from it. And in this case, we are talking about some utilities, which I'll be covering. And so we go to buy services. So this is where you're able to buy airtime float. This is where you're able to buy your own airtime. This is where you're able to check float balance. This is where you're able to buy a resellable license. This is where you're able to buy utility float. So once you buy utility float, definitely you get what we call utility commission. And what can you do with that utility float? That utility float right now, you can be able to use it to buy electricity in some countries. Currently, we're talking about Ghana and Nigeria, whereby you can be able to buy electricity. You can be able to buy DSTV, GoTV, and yeah. In a place like Nigeria, you can also be able to do start times and all that. I will actually be looking at that. So anytime you purchase utility float, definitely you get utility commission. And also you have a button just next there where you're going to check utility float balance. You can also be able to buy AVS dollars. And also you can now be able to buy the particular utility. So let's just click on buy utility. And here you definitely select the country. In this case, let's check Nigeria. And once you select Nigeria, you select operator, and you can see what is available there. You have DSTV. You have definitely DSTV has various bouquets. That's so you can see that. And then you have Nova. I really don't know what Nova is. So either for 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, and all that. You have start times there. And then you have all these other bouquets for DSTV, and then you have GoTV. And then you will get Compact Pass there plus French Touch and all that. And then you also now get electricity. You can see the Eco Disco electricity, Eco Disco postpaid bills, Ibadan, Enugu, Benin, and all that. Yeah. So definitely for those people who've been to Nigeria, they know that these are some of the cities in Nigeria, Ibadan, Benin, Kano, and all that. Yeah. So you're able to purchase that. Definitely once you have a utility float, for example, you just click on that, you key in the account number, amount, because this is Nigeria now, the amount would be Naira, that is the local currency of Nigeria. Then you key in your password and then just purchase utility. The moment you do that, you definitely get utility via SMS. Now, we go back and then we check on buy own airtime. This definitely most people are familiar with this. And remember, before you buy any airtime, you need to have bought airtime float. So we just check on buy float. And then you can see here, you key in the amount. You can do AVS wallet. You can do Visa or MasterCard. So these are the cards. Could be prepaid, could be postpaid. No, sorry. Could be prepaid, not postpaid. Sorry. So it could be prepaid, it could be a debit card, it could be a credit card. And then you have mobile money here. And then last but not least, you have crypto. So for the longest time, we've been having Bitcoin. But right now, if you click there, you have Bitcoin. You also have USDT. For those who are familiar with crypto, So USDT comes in various chains. So you can do maybe USDT TRC20, you can do USDT BP20, this is the Binance chain. You can also do USDT TRC20, which is Ethereum chain, and TRC20 definitely is a Tron chain. Right now, so you even have USDT on a Solana chain, but these are actually now the biggest, TRC20, BP20, ERC20. And definitely, if you're familiar with the crypto, you know the difference. The reason why you have TRC20 and BP20 is because the two, TRC and BP20, the charges are very low. Most people actually don't use ERC20 simply because of the fees. Because when you're paying from your wallet, you realize that ERC20 charges a lot. Sometimes maybe the transaction fee can go all the way to $20. So definitely would want to avoid this. So most people would definitely go for TRC20 or maybe BP20. From most wallets, TRC20 will only charge you $1. USDT BP20, which is the Binance chain, will always charge you 0.8 of USDT. So those are definitely the two options that most people will go for because of the fees. So for example, you just click on TRC and then you're about to purchase float for $1. You confirm that. You go to a checkout page there. So let it load. Yeah, there we are. So you go to a checkout page, you just open that. And then this is a coin payment checkout, and you can see if I pay $1 USDT to that address, definitely the transaction will go through. So definitely that's how you actually do it. So we go back here, we go to buy float. That is exactly what you do. The moment you purchase float, remember anytime you purchase airtime float, you receive what we call airtime commission. So buy float, that is buy airtime float, you get airtime commission. Buy utility float, you get utility commission. And then next there, you have buy own airtime. Most people are familiar with that. I'll not be covering that. We go back here and we go to sell services. So here is where you're able to sell airtime. So sell airtime just means you're actually loading airtime to another number other than the one you registered with. So just choose maybe the country, maybe DRC, Congo there. Choose the operator, maybe Congo Airtel there. Change this definitely to Congo so that you can be able to do that. And then key in the phone number, amount, and password, then purchase airtime. Yeah. So that's exactly how you do it. You have a button there, announcement button. So if you click that, you're able to see announcements coming in from the company. Then you have a register button next here. And so the register button, this allows you to actually create an account for your downline directly from your back office. Below that, you have a Salesforce team, shows you definitely the number of people in your team. In this account, you can be able to see here there are 31 people in this account. And then below there, you can be able to see AVS wallet. So you click to AVS wallet, there you are. You can be able to see the AVS wallet shows you what is incoming and also what is outgoing. So credit is incoming, so it could be peer-to-peer, could be airtime commission, could be license commission, could be utility commission, could be bulk airtime commission, that is a passive income. And debit definitely would be what is leaving your account, could be purchases, maybe you're purchasing a license, purchasing airtime float, purchasing utility, maybe even doing withdraw, all that would appear there as a debit. And once you have that, then definitely the difference between the two will always give you the current balance in your account. And you can see you less debit from credit, you get the current balance in your account. From here, again, this is able to do peer-to-peer. So you can come here, click send. So peer-to-peer means that you're actually sending AVS dollars to another person in virtual AVS. So come here, key in their phone number. depending on which country they're in. For example, they're in South Africa, so you change these to South Africa so that you get the South African country code, you key in the phone number, amount, and then you click send. Remember that anytime you're doing a transaction on AVS wallet, there should be some balance left in the account. So in this case, for example, the current balance here is 118.13 AVS dollars or US dollars. So the maximum you can send from this account is actually 118, simply because now you'll be left with 0.13 in the account. So there should be some balance being left. And then also from the AVS wallet, this is able to do withdrawal. So you can be able to withdraw via mobile money. So minimum withdrawal for mobile money is actually 10 AVS dollars. So you just click that, select country, maybe you do what? Maybe Ghana, select operator here, maybe MTN, change this definitely to Ghana for that, so that you get the correct country code. Key in your phone number that is registered with MTN, password, continue, and then your money hits your mobile money account. That's how mobile money withdrawal is done. Also, you can do bank. Remember, bank minimum withdrawal is $20. So if I come here, then I have to change this to 20, or maybe more than 20. 20 is the minimum. Click withdraw, select country. In this case, we do what? Maybe Tanzania. Select bank. You can see some of the banks there in TZ. So choose whatever is relevant for you. For example, maybe you're using maybe Uchumi Commercial Bank in TZ. Select that. Select your branch there. Key in the account name, account number, enter password, and then continue. That is exactly how you do withdraw for a bank. For crypto, minimum withdrawal for crypto is actually 23 AVS dollars. Yeah, just have that at the back of your mind. 23 is the minimum you can withdraw via crypto. So you do either 23 and above. 23 is the minimum. So click on there withdraw, and you can see two chains here actually supported. That's USDT TRC20 and USDT BP20. And definitely once you do this, the AVS dollars will hit your USDT wallet as USDT. So for example, you're withdrawing maybe 23. I'm made to understand that the withdrawal charge is actually three AVS dollars. So meaning if you do 23, you're going to get 20. Or for example, if you do 50, you're going to get 47. Or maybe you do 100, you're going to get 97, because the 3 is transaction fee, because of definitely these chains will also charge. So this USDT, the AVS dollars, let me put it out, the AVS dollars will actually hit your USDT wallet as USDT. So if you do, for example, 100 AVS dollars, definitely you'll be receiving 97 USDT. Yeah, whichever chain you use, for those who understand crypto, it will still be USDT, and that's it. So if, for example, maybe you have a Binance Exchange account, maybe you can do maybe USDT BP20, but again, also Binance Exchange also supports the Tron chain, so TRC20 will still do. So you just do that, and then it goes to your wallet, or use any other wallet that supports these chains. For example, you can do Trust Wallet, you can do MetaMask, you can do Math Wallet, or any other wallet that supports these chains. Definitely, anybody who understands crypto, this is information you already have. You go back, and we've covered that. And the question is, why do we have this upgrade button here? The reason why you have this upgrade button here is because the moment you pay for your license of $69, so you have 9 widgets in your app, as you can see here. So the reason why we have an upgrade button here is because this account has not been upgraded to start receiving what you call passive income or bulk airtime commission. And upgrade is $75. So if I click the upgrade, same thing. So $75 is what it cost me to upgrade this account. You can do AVS wallet, card, mobile money, and also you can do crypto if you want. And then once you pay now, that button will actually disappear. Yeah. So the question is, how do you attach your wallet for USDT for you to be able to do withdraw? So, and that is exactly what I'll be covering. So let me just exit from this account. I need to show you another account that will, just a moment. So there we are. So this is a customer account. A customer account is an account whereby the $69 license has not been paid. So you can see only 4 widgets here. Really limits you because there's nothing much you can do from this account. You can't refer anyone because you don't have a license, and you also can't earn commission. So check the top right corner. Top right corner, we have 3 horizontal lines there, 3 horizontal bars. If you click on that, it takes you to your profile section. So this is where you're able to see your name, your username, email address, phone number. You're able to change your password. And remember, changing password means that you have a particular password and you actually want to have to change it to something else. Yeah. So that is what is called change password. Yeah. If you forget your password, then that's not change password. You'll be resetting your password. Yeah. And then the put either your Bitcoin address, you're able to input your USDT TRC20. You're also able to input maybe your USDT ERC20 or maybe BP20. So in this case, we come here, we say, for example, we want to input our USDT TRC20 address, click it there, and definitely you just key in your password here, and then you just submit. Just a moment. There we are. Yeah. So that is exactly what you do. And then you just update your address there. And then the moment now you're doing withdrawal from your AVS wallet, the USDT will be sent to that address. I hope that is clear. And I'm actually through with the demo tonight. I wanted to keep it very short. The only other thing I need to mention is that the support button. So just check bottom right. So you have that button there, that widget. If you click on it, here you're able to send a message to virtual AVS customer support, and you are able to get some assistance. Yeah, you're able to get some assistance from customer support. So this is where you're able to do that. Then, having said that, I'm actually through with the demo. At this point, we jump into Q&A. I'll be more than willing to actually answer your question. Oh, somebody is telling me that when I was inputting the address, at that point I was muted, so I need to repeat it. So let me just share my screen again. And so here we are. So you go to the profile section. So profile section, you get it top right corner. You can see 3 horizontal bars there. click on them, come to change, and this is where you input them, and then you just put your password and then submit. So put your password and then submit, and the address updated. It's just that. There's nothing much to it. Now, something you need to understand, which is critical, is that in the event that you put a wrong address, so for example, that address, you put a wrong address, when I say a wrong address, I mean that that address does not belong to you. Definitely when you do withdraw, that USDT will actually be sent to that wrong address. And in this case, the wrong address does not belong to you. And in that case, I'm sorry to tell you that you would have lost your AVS dollars simply because you've sent them to another address which does not belong to you. And for those who understand crypto, is that there's no way of recovering that money because it's cryptocurrency. You can't tell who owns the address. So you just need to be very careful when you're inputting the address. If you don't know about crypto, let maybe your upline who understands it assist you on how to do it so that you don't make a mistake. But definitely, people who understand crypto, this is general information you ought to be having. Yeah, I was just mentioning it as a by the way. Okay. Any question?